Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Terrence, and the last video I did was unwrapping my sports memorabilia with the Houston Astros, Space City Connect, the Sugarland Skeeters alternate jersey, which is light blue, and the Houston Dynamo replica Bayou City jersey. So now I'm about to unbox this package I received yesterday, and I'm gonna cut it up right now. Alright, I'm about to unbox this. As you can see here, you got the Jordan logo on top. So we're about to open what is in here. So, and as you can see, you got these shoes right here. These shoes look they look pretty cool, and I believe these are their shoelaces. I'm not sure what they are. I think they probably are extra laces or something. So these are the shoes. So they look orange and olive green, I want to say. So look at the nice orange right here, and this little Nike symbol right here. All right. So this is the left side, and this is for the right. This is for the right side. Same thing. They got the Jordan. Well, both shoes got the Jordan logo on top, showing on top, and they got these little the little shoe cover thing in case somebody steps on your shoe or something, or just to prevent a shoe from being bent. And they give me a sticker that says GOAT on it, so that's why I originally bought these shoes at. And hopefully I'll wear these shoes next week for the Houston Dynamo matchup. And by the way, since it's Star Wars Day, since I have my shirts they made the Force be with you. I don't know, people don't really get this. I mean, I know I do. I mean, this is like a force times mass acceleration kind of thing. Alright, I guess I was gonna ask if you have any questions about where I bought these shoes or how to order them. You could subscribe to my YouTube channel called the Red Devil Hunters 22. You could comment, or you could hit the like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And just remember, friends, be motivated, be healthy, and don't do anything stupid you regret. Peace. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I know that I just ended this video I believe 2 minutes ago, but I guess I didn't show you a picture of me wearing the shoe instead of me telling you what the color of the shoe is, how it looks. But now I just I took some pictures of me wearing the shoe, so I will upload those right after the first video, and hopefully I get to wear them in the next Houston Dynamo matchup on May 14th. So I can't wait. Alright, that is it for this unwrapping or unpackage this box right here. So just remember, friends, just be motivated, stay healthy, and don't do anything stupid you regret. Peace.